Welcome to CrashMap Video Tutorial 1, an introduction to CrashMap and its mapping tools. This tutorial provides an introduction to CrashMap and explains the mapping tools available in CrashMap. CrashMap is a powerful relational crash analysis application that incorporates both macro and micro evaluation tools to assist users to identify locations on the road network. It includes predominant crash patterns at intersections and along road sections, and allows users to analyze crash and other data attributes to assist users to select proven effective treatments for economic appraisal. It is important to remember that CrashMap is a tool to assist you to perform the tasks of crash analysis and road safety engineering. To get the most out of CrashMap, you are advised to complete the Road Safety Engineering Treatment of Crash Locations online training course that can be found on the Road Safety Audit portal. Once you open CrashMap, you will see that the layout of the application screen is separated into two main areas. The mapping tools can be found on the right side of the screen, and the crash analysis tools are located on the left side of the screen. Exit CrashMap and Logout options are displayed at the top of the screen. Before we get into the mapping tools, a useful resource to assist you gain a greater understanding of CrashMap is the user guide, which can be found by clicking the blue button with a question mark located at the top right of the screen. The user guide explains all the features and functionality CrashMap has to offer, and users are encouraged to review to help get the most out of the application. Let's get started by looking at CrashMap's mapping tools and functionality. There are a variety of base maps and aerial images that can be selected as a working area for your crash analysis. There are also zoom controls that are located above the base map's selection slide bar. The Layers button opens a list of layers that can be displayed on the map. The layers were selected from asset and other information sources that are of most use to the task of crash analysis and road safety engineering. When you zoom into the map, you will see that some of the layer names displayed in the list change from grey to black to show the zoom level at which selected layers will display on the map. The crash layer only displays the location of crashes over the last 5 years. You are unable to interrogate these crashes using this layer. The main purpose of this layer is to show users where crashes are located when creating a crash query with user-defined polygon area. This is explained in CrashMap Video Tutorial 4. The layers shown on the list can be switched on or off to display the selected layers on the map. Displaying the various black spot layers allows users to take a more holistic approach to identifying and treating pre-qualified locations for black spots, by enabling users to see the interaction between pre-qualified intersections and road sections for both state and federal programs. When layers are displayed on the map, you can also use the Identify feature tool to see more detail about particular layers. In this example, the legal speed limit layer is displayed on the map, and by using the Identify feature tool, you can find out details about particular speed limits displayed on the map. There are a number of layers to assist you when analyzing crashes and selecting treatments. The Skyview layer is only available to main road users. This is because the aerial images shown on this layer cannot be licensed for external users. The Skyview layer allows users to display aerial images captured on particular dates, which is useful for identifying road environment changes at particular points in time. Users also have the option to upload shapefiles to display additional layers on the map. This is particularly useful to local governments for mapping asset information not included in the layers list, so that this can be related with crash data and other layer information. The layer window can also be dragged around the screen to maximize the use of map area by users. There are other buttons located next to the Identify feature button that allow users to pan around the screen to identify latitude and longitude information at any point on the map. This information can also be copied and pasted, which is useful if you want to find traffic or speed surveys for a location you're investigating in CrashMap. To do this, you just need to remove the text lat long from your point information when pasted into the traffic map search area. You can also identify an SLK point on a road and show information about the road name and road number. There's also a zoom to rectangular area tool and a zoom to map extents tool. There is also a multi-measure tool that allows users to measure multiple distances on the map. And a print map option that allows users to input a map title and select map templates for drawing template sizes from A4 up to A0 that includes image quality options for printing. All the buttons in CrashMap have hover text descriptions. All you need to do is hover the cursor over a button and a text description displays to show users what the button does. The search box allows users to search for and zoom into a particular point on the map by inputting latitude and longitude coordinates. Or by inserting a road name or road number to find a particular road. You can also add an SLK point to a road search to allow users to find a particular point on a selected road. You don't need to use the search option if you're planning to run a crash query for a particular road section using an add road or area search. These query searches give you the option to view the location on the map. This search box is most useful when you are planning to run a polygon area crash query to assist you to navigate to the location on the map. The search results are displayed in the search results window, which may include a number of locations that match the search parameters and, when clicked, will zoom the map to the selected location. Finally, to allow maximum flexibility of use, the majority of the windows in Crash Map can be dragged and resized to maximize the use and flexibility of the mapping work area. This concludes the Mapping Tools tutorial. We hope that you found this training resource helpful. Please refer to the Crash Map user guide if you require any further information about these features.